Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this amazing text effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened an empty project. First thing, we need to add our text. So first I change the font. Actually, we can use any font what we like, but I use this Gagarin. I like this font type. Changing the color to red. And just increase the size a bit. And duplicate. Already doing the other text. Yeah, they are. Looks good. And if you would like to add it to the center, there is a really cool trick. So I just go to the center, this one also in the center. Just a bit closer to each other. Then I group it back to position as middle. And now I can ungroup it. Maybe I can even a bit bigger, like this. Bit more down, I think, like this. Position, center, oops, center, but I moved a bit too high. So just moving it down. So doing again, select both, group, position, middle, ungroup. Okay. So, first thing first, duplicate, duplicate. And click on the original one and go into effects, outline. Next one, just moving to here, changing the color to yellow and going to the animate and type right and a bit slower in the speed and going to the other one and type right again, and this one also like this, and doing the same with the teacher. First I click on the original one, effects, outline. Moving the second one, change the color to yellow, animate, typewriter bit, lowering its speed, and doing the same, the red one, animate, typewrite, and really lowering the speed, like this. It's good. But as we can see, this is too long, so this 5 seconds we just changing to 3. In this case it will be even, I think we can use it for 2 seconds. Yeah, this is 2 is not more natural what we now want, and we're just downloading it as a MP4 video. Sorry. So we're just downloading as MP4 and adding to the page. Hope so it's not downloading it. Actually, that was maybe a stupid idea to add the second page now. This one I never even tested before. How is it work? So I just moving to here, this video. Okay, this page I can cancel. This one I can to 100%, but the reason why I did it, going to the speed, and lowering the speed to might be the 125 is not good, half. Look at this now. Maybe even this one is too far, too slow, so I can try to do it with 75. Yeah, that looks better. So we can play with the speed a bit, and this is a really nice feature. So we even can make the very lower speed typewriting animation to even slower, and this is a pretty cool trick. How can we do it? And actually, this is how we can create this text effect in Canva. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my Canva tutorials. And of course, if you have any question about Canva, just let me know, or struggling anything in Canva, let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in a TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. And as I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.